Hello guys, this is Roxana Vargas from Rosy Unique Designs, and on this tutorial today I'm gonna show you how to create these angel wings. These are made with these beautiful wings buy from an online store. You can find them on any craft store. And this beautiful ribbon that I got in different online stores as well. This can be done for any season of the year, especially for winter time. That's when I really like to make them. But also it can be done for different seasons of the year. Next, I'm going to show you how it's done, the process. So first of all, I'm grabbing the form. This is made on a metal form. And then I just remove the tag before I even forget that I need to remove the tag. Here we are going to add some foam with these two pieces of zip ties. I like to use zip ties for attaching any kind of foam on my wreaths. So this is the way it's done, and then I just clip the ends once it's attached. And they need to be snug enough, okay? Don't leave it loose. Next, I'm gonna add some kind of greenery underneath. And again, these are for winter themes, so I'm just using this pine greenery, and I'm just gonna trim it just to give it a little look, like the wings are in each side. I'm gonna put 3 pieces. Okay, I just cut in 3 pieces at a time. Then I'm gonna just trim little pieces just to cover up some on the top edge of the base, as you can see. Okay, here I'm gonna grab some more material to add up to the design. On this one, I'm gonna use this red looking greenery or decor that I found on Hobby Lobby. Knipex, those are my cutters that I use, and I got those from Amazon. I recommend some to get a new wire cutters if you're using. So Knipex is a good brand to use. Anyway, here we have the red attached already, the red greenery. Now I'm coming here with some eucalyptus. This is very nice greenery also to add up to the wreath. I'm just adding like a couple of pieces, not too many. Okay, here we have a new bundle, so I just need to cut a few more pieces to finish this design. And next I'm gonna add this greenery that is with some kind of glitter on it. It's perfect for this winter theme decor. And here we're gonna add some red berries. Also, these are from the Hobby Lobby. I'm sure you can find them in any of the craft stores as well. And I just added 2 pieces, and you can see how red and bold the colors are, because these are like a big bundle that it came like that. Here I'm just gonna add a little chenilles to start creating our bow, and just the bows are gonna be done on a Bodabra. That's my tool I use, and just when I create my bows with these canario prints, I just trying to make sure that the ends, they're matching pretty much the same on each side. The birds are whole basically at the end. And I'm just gonna do 2 loops on each end. I believe the loops are at 5.5 inches. And here I'm gonna add the velvet with the gold ribbon. At the end is gonna be 4, maybe 3 loops on each side. Okay, this is what I'm doing. Now we're gonna do the chenilles. I'm gonna just twist until it's nice and snug. Here I'm just cleaning up my table. After each project, I just try to clean in between different stages. So here I'm just gonna add the U pen. Those are bought on Walmart. The U pens are good also to attach the bows into your foam. So this is what I'm showing next. And I'm gonna use some glue just to attach the U-pen into the foam. Next, we're gonna fluff the bow, as you can see, and I'm just gonna leave the whites showing on each end, and the reds, they're gonna be fluff around the white. U-pens, I add those on each loop on the white ribbon, so it's not moving, with the wind or movement. Just want to be sure that it's steady, right? The bow doesn't have any play with it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna put some glue, and here the next step is gonna be to add some moss. The moss also, I get those from my wholesaler or either Walmart, Hobby Lobby, any craft stores, they have the moss. And I like to use the green moss just to match the greenery that I'm using also as the base. And underneath the bow, I also add some moss, but I'm sure you can use any other, probably leaves or more greenery if you want. I just opt to use moss on this case, as you can see now.